Yo, tech lovers, ready to ride the future? We're diving into the 25 coolest tools you'll want to buy. Gadgets so smart they'll blow your mind. So don't blink, don't scroll, don't miss it. The future's in your cart right now. The Makita VS001G is a high-performance cordless sweeper engineered to handle demanding cleaning tasks on construction sites, warehouses, and other commercial environments. Powered by Makita's 40-volt Max XGT battery system, this heavy-duty tool delivers exceptional suction power and long-lasting operation without the restrictions of cords or fuel. Equipped with dual main brushes and an optional side brush, the VS001G efficiently collects both fine dust and larger debris from various surfaces. The main brush offers a sweeping width of 480 millimeters, which extends up to 650 millimeters when using the side brush, providing a cleaning capacity of up to 2,600 meters squared per hour. Whether used on concrete, tile, or asphalt, it ensures a thorough clean in less time. The sweeper offers two operating modes, standard and quiet, allowing users to adjust brush speed and noise levels according to their working environment. In quiet mode, it operates for up to 480 minutes using two 8.0 amp-hour batteries, or 200 minutes in standard mode, striking a perfect balance between power and endurance. A 24-liter dust container captures a large amount of debris, while the integrated HEPA filter traps fine particles for cleaner air quality. The electric filter cleaning system helps prevent clogging, maintaining consistent suction performance throughout the job. For enhanced usability, the VS001G features a handle-mounted control panel, LED job light for visibility in dimly lit areas, and a foldable handle design for easy storage and transport. Despite its robust build, the sweeper weighs only 29.9 to 33.1 kilograms, ensuring excellent maneuverability. Built for professional use, the Makita VS001G combines power, efficiency, and convenience, making it the ideal cordless cleaning solution for large-scale, heavy-duty applications. The Odubi 360-degree laser level is a cutting-edge measuring tool designed to deliver unmatched accuracy, convenience, and performance for both professionals and DIY users. Built with a 360-degree rotating laser head and a high-precision spirit-level bubble, it projects clear and stable laser lines in every direction, horizontally, vertically, and at angles, ensuring flawless alignment for any project. Whether you are hanging picture frames, laying tiles, installing ceilings, or building walls, the Odubi laser level guarantees millimeter-perfect accuracy with minimal effort. One of its most remarkable features is the self-adjusting vacuum suction cup that provides strong and reliable attachment to multiple surfaces, such as glass, tile, wood, and concrete. With a powerful, minor 60 kPa vacuum pressure, the device maintains a secure hold even on challenging materials, preventing slips or movement during work. Its auto-frequency suction technology continuously regulates pressure to ensure rock-solid stability and precise positioning at all times. Powered by a robust 3,600 mAh rechargeable battery, the Odubi laser level delivers up to 15 hours of continuous performance, making it an excellent choice for long or intensive projects. The auto-lock stabilization system automatically balances the laser beam to maintain perfect alignment, reducing the need for constant manual recalibration. Despite its compact and lightweight design, the Odubi laser level supports an impressive 11 kilograms load capacity, reflecting its durability and professional build quality. Its user-friendly interface, durable body, and sleek appearance make it easy to handle and suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. In summary, the Odubi 360-degree laser level is more than just a tool. It's a precision companion for every craftsman and enthusiast. Combining intelligent features, extended battery life, and superior stability, it redefines accuracy and brings professional-grade alignment within everyone's reach. Approx 300 words. The Cube is a cutting-edge, all-in-one angle, level, and distance measuring device designed to combine accuracy, portability, and convenience in one sleek package. Created for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, designers, and 3D printing specialists, the cube redefines the way you measure and align. Despite its pocket-sized design, this powerful tool delivers industrial-grade performance that helps you complete projects faster and with greater confidence. Equipped with a high-visibility green laser, the cube provides readings that are up to 170% clearer than standard red lasers, even in bright environments. It can measure distances of up to 164 feet, 50 meters, with exceptional precision, ensuring reliable results every time. Its digital pendulum system and real-time angle display guarantee unmatched accuracy, making it ideal for applications that demand exact alignment, from interior design and carpentry to construction and 3D modeling. The cube's auto-rotating display automatically adjusts to your viewing angle, allowing you to easily read measurements from any position. Its integrated magnetic mount securely attaches to metal surfaces for convenient hands-free operation, letting you focus on your work rather than holding the tool in place. One of the cube's most useful features is its ability to store up to 99 measurement records, helping you organize your data efficiently without the need for constant note-taking. The cube's compact design eliminates the need for multiple bulky tools like torpedo levels or tape measures, saving both space and effort in your toolbox. Powered by Ryobi's 18-volt ONE+ system, it ensures long-lasting operation and consistent performance across various projects. Backed by Magpie-Tech's commitment to innovation and reliability, the cube is not just a measuring tool. It's a next-generation precision companion that brings professional-level accuracy to every project, whether at home, in the workshop, or on the job site. The Arbortech AllSaw BA200X is a high-performance cordless cutting tool engineered for demanding masonry, construction, and restoration applications. Powered by the DeWalt FlexVolt 60-volt max battery system, it delivers exceptional power, efficiency, and runtime, all without the restriction of cords or power outlets. This advanced cordless design allows professionals to work freely and efficiently, even in remote or rugged environments. Featuring Arbortech's patented dual-blade orbital cutting technology, the BA200X achieves precise, clean, and non-kickback cuts, ensuring superior control and safety. This makes it ideal for cutting brick, mortar, stone, and other masonry materials with unmatched accuracy. Despite its powerful performance, the tool weighs only 3.88 kilograms without battery and blades, offering a compact, well-balanced form that is easy to handle for extended periods. The ergonomic flex grip handle provides enhanced comfort, control, and reduced user fatigue, while the quick switch blade system allows for fast and effortless blade changes, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. Its brushless motor ensures optimal performance, longer tool life, and lower maintenance requirements. For a cleaner, safer work environment, the BA200X incorporates an advanced dust control system with a heavy-duty dust boot, effectively reducing airborne debris and improving visibility on the job. Built to endure the harsh conditions of professional work sites, it combines rugged durability with state-of-the-art engineering. Whether used for restoration, wall chasing, or precision masonry cutting, the Arbortech AllSaw BA200X sets a new benchmark in cutting efficiency. Combining cordless freedom, powerful performance, and unparalleled safety, it delivers consistent professional results every time, making it the ultimate tool for craftsmen who demand reliability and precision.